Alright guys, mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Alright, may isa tayong reaction video.
Awesome!
Ayan, full speech ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada, denies niya ang receiving any funds of anonymous flood control projects, no? At wala raw siyang tinanggap at hindi totoo ang akusasyon sa kanya. Ayon kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, address the allegation level against him by former DPWH Assistant District Engineer Bridge Hernandez during the regular session of Senate September 9, 2025. Panoorin po natin guys ang sinabi ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Mr. President, I rise to repudiate the utterly false and baseless accusations made against me by Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez. Una sa lahat, wala akong tinanggap na anumang halaga wala sa mga flood control projects. Gaya ng mga guni-guni nilang flood control projects, guni-guni...
Alright, comment down below na lang anong masasabi nyo dito, kung totoo ba o hindi. Ang akusasyon ay kay Jinggoy Estrada, no?
Ang sinasabi niyang 30% commitment ko raw. Para sa mga ordinaryo natin mga kababayan, ang mga binanggit ng mga proyekto ay nasa line items ng 2025 GAA or General Appropriations Act. Isang malaking kasinungalingan ang mga pinagsasabi niya para iugnay ang aking pangalan sa mga proyektong binanggit niya na nasa ilalim na ng 2025 GAA na sa isinagawang pandinig sa mababang kapulungan. Mr. President, these claims are not only malicious. They are blatant lies, clearly intended to mislead the public, besmirch my name again, and discredit my continued participation in the Senate hearing.
Ayan, ayon kay Jinggoy, no? Hindi niya titigilan itong akusasyon sa kanya, no?
I am not merely challenging Mr. Hernandez to take a lie detector test with me. I am demanding that he prove every single allegation he has made in a court of law. If he dares to stand by his claims, then he must back them up with solid, refutable evidence. No hearsay, no fabricated narratives, just facts. And let the truth come out.
Ayan, muna ni Jinggoy, Senator Jinggoy, ang lie detects, ayan,
Once
sa
and
kanya
for all.
test.
I will not allow this brazen attempt to smear my name to go unanswered. This will not pass quietly. Beyond the administrative and criminal liabilities he may face, I will ensure that Mr. Hernandez is held accountable for perjury and made to answer for his deliberate falsehoods before the proper judicial forum. Let this serve as a warning. Lies have consequences, and I will pursue every legal remedy to make sure justice is served. Thank you, Mr. President.
Alright, napakinggan at napanood po natin ang full speech na wala siyang tinanggap at denies ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada anumang tungkol sa flood control, no? At maraming salamat sa panonood pakinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again the next one sa ating reaction video. And peace out.